Most people wait way too long to invest, either because they think they need thousands or they're afraid of doing it wrong. Here's the truth. You can start way earlier and for way less. In this video, I'll answer two of the most common investing questions. When should I start? And how much do I actually need to begin? Spoiler: probably sooner and cheaper than you think. The best time to start investing: as soon as you can consistently save money, not when you're rich, not when the market feels safe. The earlier you start, the more time does the heavy lifting, thanks to compound growth. Even small amounts invested in your 20s can outgrow large amounts you start putting in at 40. Time in the market greater than timing the market. If you've paid off high-interest debt, have a small emergency fund, and a stable income, you're ready. Old myth: you need thousands. New reality: you can start with $5 to $100, depending on the platform. Apps like Fidelity, Schwab, SoFi, and Robinhood let you buy fractional shares of big companies. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, let you spread your money across hundreds of stocks at once. You don't need to buy a full share of Amazon or Apple to get started. The key is starting something, not waiting until it feels like enough. If you're just starting out, consider Roth IRA if you're eligible, tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement, 401k with employer match, free money, a basic brokerage account if you've maxed those out or want flexibility. Stick to index funds or ETFs. They're low cost, low maintenance, and proven over time. Forget trying to pick winning stocks. Unless you're down for the risk and research, the market will drop. It's normal. Your job isn't to react emotionally, it's to stay consistent. Set up automatic investments each month. Ignore the headlines. Let your money do the work. Trying to time the market usually backfires. But staying in, even with small amounts, wins over time. When did you start investing? Or what's been holding you back? Drop it in the comments. And if this gave you clarity, hit like and subscribe. Real finance doesn't have to feel intimidating. Quick recap: start as soon as you have a stable income and no toxic debt. You can begin with $5, $50, or $100. Use tools like Roth IRAs, 401ks, or basic index funds. Set it, forget it, and stay the course. Investing isn't just for rich people. It's how regular people become financially secure. Start now. Your future self will be way better off for it.